Whether it's for gamers, creators, or regular people who need a bit more productivity from their office machines, Dell usually has a solution for everyone's requirements. The PC and laptop brand recently added another product to its precision lineup, the Dell Precision 5680, and we got to try the laptop for some time. Hey everyone, I'm Ishan from Gadgets 360, and in this video we share our initial thoughts for the Dell Precision 5680 laptop. So let's get started. Let's unbox the package first. First up, we have the box that has precision embossed on it. We'll keep it aside for a bit. Next is the power cord. Returning to our main box, let's peel these eco-friendly seals off. We get the laptop upon unboxing, which we'll come to in a moment. We have the documentation, charging brick, and a USB Type-A to USB Type-C adapter. Let's get the laptop out of this sleeve. This Dell Precision 5680 comes equipped with a 13th Gen Intel Core i9-13900H vPro processor and packs an NVIDIA GeForce RTX 4090 GPU with 16 GB of graphics memory. The laptop comes in a sole Titan grey color option. It uses a soft touch coating over the aluminium housing. The top cover has the chromed out Dell logo, and the entire look and feel of this laptop is quite premium. It retails at a starting price of Rs 2,12,246 rupees. The Precision 5680 weighs 1.905 kg, which makes it a hefty device. Weight aside, it's also quite thick at 26.17 mm. The laptop can be equipped with a 16-inch display. Dell provides two options to choose from. There's a 16-inch OLED touchscreen with a 60Hz refresh rate and a peak brightness of up to 400 nits, and a 16-inch WLED non-touchscreen display with a 60Hz refresh rate and peak brightness of up to 500 nits. We tried the former indoors with ample light available in our studio, and it produced good colors across the board. You get a full-size backlit keyboard on this one with a trackpad which has an inbuilt fingerprint sensor. The keys are quite responsive too. The Dell Precision 5680 features up to a M.2 2280 1TB PCIe NVMe Gen 4 Class 40 Opal self-encrypting SSD and up to dual-channel LPDDR5 64GB RAM. The laptop offers an extensive range of ports that include one SD card slot, one USB 3.2 Gen 2 Type-C port with DisplayPort 1.4, two Thunderbolt 4 ports USB Type-C, one 3.5mm audio jack, and one HDMI 2.0B port. Wireless connectivity options include Wi-Fi 6E and Bluetooth 5.3. The Dell Precision 5680 sports up to a 6-cell 99.5 watt-hour lithium-ion LCL battery. It uses a 4-speaker setup with 2 speakers and 2 tweeters, a 0.90 megapixel camera for video calling and stills, and a 0.23 megapixel infrared camera that aids in unlocking the laptop through Windows Hello as well. That's it for this video. To know more about this product and all things tech, keep following Gadgets 360. See you guys in the next one.